Hi, I'm your Vitamin D, and this is my 100 Verses in 100 Days Challenge here in Kaizen Season 5. Welcome to Day 27! Ngayong araw naman na ito, pag-uusapan natin ang tungkol sa hindi pagsuko at pagpapanatili ng malakas na pananampalataya. Ang sabi sa 2 Timothy chapter 4 verse 7, I have fought the good fight. I have finished the race. I have kept the faith. This means we keep going and stay true to what we believe in, like finishing a long race even when it's hard. Think about a time you did not give up, even when something was really tough. It can be anything, big or small. Pwede mo bang i-share yan sa comment section? Because sharing our stories helps us remember to be strong and keep going. See you tomorrow for Day 28 with more inspiring words. I love you. You are amazing. You matter. And receive your sunshine today. Mwah.